Hello everyone, I am Farhan. Today I will be presenting a topic called Dyslexia. Introduction. So, what is dyslexia? Dyslexia is a learning disorder that involves difficulty reading due to problem identifying speech, sounds, and learning how they relate to letters and words, which is called decoding. Type of dyslexia. The first type of dyslexia is dysgraphia, which is the difficulty in writing. The second one is dyscalculia, which is the difficulty in calculating. The third one is language dyslexia, which is the difficulty in receptive, which is the listening, and expressive, which is the talking. So the fourth one is phonological, difficulty in making the sound properly. The next one is visual, reading and writing issue. The words seems to be floating when they try to read it. The next one is rapid naming, unable to name letter of number in rapid time. The next one is double deficit, a combination of phonological and rapid naming. The last one is surface dyslexia, which is cannot recognize the whole words. Causes. These are the causes that I would like to highlight. The first one is inheritance from family. The second one is deficiency in nutrients such as zinc, magnesium, vitamin B12 and vitamin D. And the third one is brain injury. Age involved. Usually, people were born with dyslexia around age 5 or 6. When kids began to read, dyslexia symptoms become more apparent. People with dyslexia will live with the condition for the rest of their life. Effects. The first effect of dyslexia is trouble with reading and spelling. The next one is struggle to write, tell from left to right. The third one is trouble with complex language skill and in-depth writing, such as grammar and comprehension. The next one is difficult for people to express themselves clearly. Next one is struggle to understand when people talk to them. And the last one is big impact on person's self-image. Coping and support. Be supportive. Trouble learning to read may affect your child's self-esteem. Talk to your child. Take steps to help your child learn at home. Limit screen time. Stay in contact with your child. Teachers. Thank you for watching.